Unboxing hand mixer. Hi, glad to see you here. Today we are going to unbox this product I bought from Lazada. It is a hand mixer. I've always wanted to have this cooking tool, as I want to try making cakes. I finally found an affordable product online. I will include the name of the shop from where I bought this near the end of the video, so continue watching if you are interested in this product. Beaters. Speed control. We also have a mixing guide here. I'm so glad that it's working. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video.